All right, good morning everyone. I haven't done this. I've had this thing for the dampers since last year, and I haven't gotten around to seeing our friends. It's just been crazy with the whole kerfuffle going around and stuff like that. So I decided to try to install these dampers myself. I really just took a couple of seconds to figure out that this takes 10 and this takes 11. So this is gonna be first, beginning, or yeah, first or whatever. This is gonna be the middle, and this is gonna be the last. So we're gonna use the middle, and we're gonna use this right there. And this is what I bought from Amazon. There's plenty other companies that you could buy hood dampers from, but they're all over like 100 and something odd bucks. Excuse the wind, it's windy out here. It's pretty much, what is it, December 7th I think. But yeah, I didn't feel like spending over 100 bucks, and I'm not into the whole carbon fiber game. But so I spent 59 bucks on this. I'll link the hood dampers in the description below, and we'll go from there. Let me set you guys up, and hopefully this GoPro doesn't get blown over. All right, before we start, this is the hardware. It's nice, it's labeled right and left. Oh, excuse me. Also, before I start, when I told you guys that there's different brands, I actually made myself a little cheat sheet. These are the brands that are out there that you could buy: Cold Speed, Rex Speed, TN, Urethane, Pro Sport, and something called Autobahn 88. So if you don't want the same product that I have, that's fine. To me, they all do the same thing. So I'm going to set you guys down. The nice thing is that if you don't have bolts for the fenders, they give you bolts, but these are so much smaller than the ones that are on the car itself. So you could store these away, use them for something else, but it is nice that they gave you those just in case you're missing like a bolt out of the middle of the bracket, I guess you call it. So without further ado, let's get this thing rolling. All right, just got done installing these hood dampers. That's what the right side looks like. Here's what the left side looks like. Left side meaning if you're in the driver's seat, left and right. Now if you're looking straight on like we are right now, it's right to left. So these aren't bad for I think 60 bucks I paid for. And like I said, I'm not into the carbon fiber game. So use the washer and this little gear type thing. I had it actually installed, just the gear without the washer. Then I wouldn't be using two other parts. So two spare parts would be in the baggie. So just do what I did. Just do what I did. The washer and the gear thing, use them. But let's close this. Now these are nitrogen filled too. I gotta unlatch this. Voila. Not that bad. It's still going up too. At least it makes it much more easy to work in the engine bay if you need something. If you need to put a mod in or something like that. So I'm really happy with these for 60 bucks. Can't complain. To me, the other hood dampers are the same from Rec Speed and TN and Colt Sport or whatever it was called. So I don't understand why anybody would want to pay like over 100 bucks for something that's going to be working out just the same as these that I just bought from this company right here. But like the old saying goes, you get what you paid for. So we'll see how long these last. If these last for a good number of years, I got my money's worth. If this doesn't last more than like a month, then I might as well have bought the $100 versions of these. But yeah, please like if you like, dislike if you dislike, and thank you.